Ever feel like you're living in a world of pins? Everywhere you turn, it seems like you need a magical sequence of numbers to access something: your phone, your bank account, even that fancy new gym membership. But the one pin that can cause a real headache is your debit card pin. You need it for ATMs, point-of-sale purchases, the whole shebang. But what if you can't remember your Capital One pin? Did you never get one? Did it mysteriously vanish into the Bermuda Triangle of your brain? Fear not, fellow forgetful friend. Retrieving your Capital One pin is actually a breeze. In this video, we'll crack the code on finding your Capital One pin, explore some alternative options, and even delve into some pin safety tips to keep your money safe. So, grab a pen and paper, or maybe just your phone's notepad, because knowledge is power, and pin knowledge is financial power. First things first, let's talk about how you might have gotten your Capital One pin in the first place. Typically, when you receive a new Capital One debit card, your pin will be included in a separate mailing. It might come in a discreet envelope marked with something generic like important information enclosed, not exactly a beacon of excitement, but crucial nonetheless. If you can't unearth that original mailing, don't despair. Capital One offers a few ways to access your PIN or request a new one. The first option is through the magic of the internet, also known as your online Capital One account. Here's the treasure map: log into your account, navigate to your credit card settings or debit card settings, depending on your card, and then look for something along the lines of Manage PIN or Control Your Card. Within that section, you should find an option to request a new PIN. Capital One might be able to send you a temporary PIN via email or text, allowing you to set a permanent PIN immediately. Otherwise, they'll send you a new PIN through the postal service, which usually takes 7 to 10 business days. Can't wait that long and don't fancy scouring your inbox for a mysterious email? Capital One also has your back with their friendly customer service representatives. Just dial 1-800-227-4825 and follow the automated prompts. They'll be able to help you request a new PIN to be mailed to you. Now, what if you never actually received a PIN in the first place? Maybe you got a replacement card or your initial card never came with one. In that case, the online method or calling customer service are definitely your best bets. Alright, so you've got your hands on your Capital One pin, either the old one you remembered or a shiny new one. But before you rush off to buy that armful of lottery tickets, responsible budgeting is always recommended. Let's talk pin safety. Your pin is like your financial fingerprint. It's what keeps your money secure. So, here are a few golden rules to remember. Never share your pin with anyone. This includes friends, family, even that charming bank teller who keeps complimenting your shoes. Don't write your PIN down anywhere. Especially not on a sticky note stuck to your monitor or a note tucked conveniently inside your wallet. Avoid using easily guessable PINs. Birthdays, anniversaries, and those 4 digits that make up the last year of your high school graduation are prime targets for anyone who might be trying to crack your code. Be mindful of your surroundings when using your PIN. Always shield the keypad with your hand when entering your PIN at an ATM or point-of-sale terminal. Remember, a little vigilance goes a long way in protecting your hard-earned cash. So, there you have it. You've unlocked the secrets of finding your Capital One PIN, explored some alternative options, and brushed up on your PIN safety skills. Now you can confidently conquer those ATMs and point-of-sale machines, knowing your money is secure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember, a strong PIN is a strong defense.